Hey guys, welcome back to Tommy Turbo Flash Yang 82.87. Today we're going to do unboxing, the last unboxing phone. I got it today. It was $25 from eBay seller, and let's open the box. Let me pause the video and be right back. Alright, so here is a Samsung something. Yep, it's a Samsung. No SD card and SIM card. It is Samsung model number SM-G870A. Get that back cover on. This won't get sticker off. It's a decal. Here's other sticker. Let me pause the video and be right back. Alright, so this is by At&t. That's my stepdad's old phone. He don't use it no more. It's mine now. Let's see, we'll turn on. The power button. Let me pause and be right back. Maybe might be this one, maybe. Looks to be dead as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. You have a good afternoon. Or blessed afternoon, my bad. Okay, bye-bye.